Can you explain why in Chinese? Can you say, I want to go, but I'm busy? Today you will learn two small words that change everything. 因为 because 但是 but. With these, your Chinese becomes real thinking, not just simple sentences. Listen first, then repeat. 因为我想吃东西，因为我很饿。我想吃东西，因为我很饿。I want to eat because I'm hungry. 我想喝水，因为我很渴。I want to drink water because I'm thirsty. 我想休息，因为我很累。我想休息，因为我很累。What do you want? Then the reason. No need to analyze, just settle it naturally. 我想学中文，因为我很高兴。我想学中文，因为我很高兴。I want to learn Chinese because I'm happy. 我想看书，因为我现在有时间。我想看书，因为现在我有时间。I like to read a book because now I have some time. 我想看书。I like to read a book. Why? 因为我现在有时间 because now I have time. Now the second word, 但是 but. 我想去，但是我很忙。我想去，但是我很忙。I want to go, but I'm busy. 我想吃，但是我不饿。我想吃，但是我不饿。I want to eat, but I'm not hungry. 我想喝牛奶，但是我不喜欢。我想喝牛奶，但是我不喜欢。I want to drink milk, but I don't like it. 我想喝，但是我不喜欢。So 但是 changes the direction, but. Some more real life examples now. 我想买东西，但是我没有钱。我想买东西，但是我没有钱。I want to buy things, but I don't have any money. 我想学中文，但是我很累。我想学中文，但是我很累。Now compare because versus but. Compare the two. 我想吃，因为我很饿。我想吃，但是我不饿。I want to eat because I'm hungry. Yeah, I want to eat, but I'm not hungry. Same start, different meaning. Now real decisions for you. 我想去，因为今天很好。我想去，因为今天很好，天气很好。I want to go because today's weather is excellent. 我想去，我想去，但是我很忙。我想去，但是我很忙。I want to go, but 我很忙。I'm very busy. 我想买东西，因为我家没有。我想买东西，因为我家没有。I want to buy something because we don't have it at home. 我想买东西，但是我没有钱。I like to buy things, but I don't have any money. 我想买东西，但是我没有钱。This is how you think in Chinese, not just words, but decisions. I want to do something, but I can't because of this. I want to do something because of this. Now let me tell you a story. 我今天想去买东西，因为家里没有水，也没有牛奶，但是我很累，也很忙，所以我不去。后来我很渴，嗯，后来我很渴，也很饿，这就是生活。I'll tell you the story again. It's just a funny story. 今天我家没有水，也没有牛奶，但是我很累，也很忙，所以我不去。后来我很渴，也很饿，啊，这就是生活。Today I want to buy things because there's no water or milk at home. But I'm tired and I'm very busy, so I won't go. Later, I feel thirsty. I feel hungry. Ah, this is life. Your Chinese is now moving forward. 因为 because gives you your reason. 但是 but shows you contrast. Let's combine the two. 我想去买东西，因为家里没有水，但是我很忙。So I want to buy something because I haven't any at home, but I'm busy. Now you can say what you want, why you want it, and what stops you. In lesson 16, we'll explore feelings and reactions so your Chinese becomes even more expressive. Repeat these sentences out loud, train your ears to listen, and train your mouth to speak. See you in the next lesson.